Hello, this is Mrs. Khatoon. I welcome you to my AP Biology or AP Environmental Science classroom. This school year will be a new experience for all of us. But I am a true believer of the phrase, where there's a will, there's a way. What it means that if you are determined to do something, you will find a way to accomplish it regardless of any obstacle in its path. I'm sharing on the screen my contact information. If you have any question or concern, reach out to me. Thank you for thank you, and I'm looking forward to an amazing school year, even if it is a mysterious one. Yes, I said it's a mysterious one because we still don't know how it's going to unfold as we go. So there will be challenges, and we will face the challenge with a positive attitude. And if that's the positive mindset, then no matter what, we will learn. Someday we will go 100%, someday we'll go a little less, but still we will learn. So I welcome you, and I am looking forward to seeing all of you on 24th August 2020. Thank you.